Hey, what's up, guys? So we are in the car. We're headed to Hobby Lobby, headed to Home Depot so that we can do this new DIY. This is going to be a DIY slash come shop with me slash bum project slash home decor slash, no, just play it. So anyway, we're about to get out here. We're about to go shopping. We're about to have some fun. All right. So I'll see you at Hobby Lobby. What's going on? Kissha J here, and thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. I'm super excited that you guys decided to come back by and see me today. On this channel, you'll find DIY home decor videos. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. In today's video, this is going to be a two-part video. This is going to be an Anthropologie inspired floor pillow, okay? Yes, I've seen this on Pinterest and they are just beautiful. You can use this to add extra seating area in your living room for guests. You can also use it as a little nook area to read your books, honey, gather your thoughts. And you can also just use this to enhance the beauty of your decor, honey. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. To start out, we're going to be conjoining these two sheets of plywood. I went to Home Depot and I purchased this. This was actually scrap wood. This was from what someone else purchased and had cut down. So if you don't know, when you go to Home Depot and someone gets their wood cut down and they decide to leave the pieces that they don't want or that they don't need, Home Depot will sell those to you 70% off. So that is what I did in this situation. So we're going to be conjoining these two sheets of plywood. I'm going to be using the pocket hole method to do that. So I'll go ahead and do that off camera and I'll come back and I'll show you how that looks. All right. Here you just see me marking with a pencil on where I'm going to place the pocket holes at. The length of the base of this board is 84 inches long and 27 inches wide. This is a closer look to where I marked the pocket holes to be placed. Okay, so that looks with all the pocket holes in. So the next thing to do is to add the nails. So I'm going to go ahead and add the nails to it so that we can conjoin these two separate boards together as one. Okay, yes. So now we're going to take this and we're going to measure it against. We're going to take this piece of wood and measure it against this piece of wood. We're going to cut this in 3s so I can glue it and staple it across here for the support. So after you've cut the board down to size and made your 3 separate pieces, you're going to glue, and then using your brad nailer, you're going to staple these pieces down to the back of the board. Now it's time to add the trim around the perimeter of the base piece. So what I'm going to do is measure the trim that I purchased and cut it to size. Once you have it cut to size, you're going to staple and glue it. The size of trim I'm using is a 1x2x8, and I'm going to cut it down to size by the length and width of my project. The length is 84 long and the width is 27 wide. When measuring to cut your trim, I recommend you measuring the trim against your workpiece. The reason I recommend this is because if you try to use a measuring tape to measure and then cut, your cut may be off just slightly. So I always recommend putting the trim against your workpiece, measuring it, and then cutting it down to size. Here's how the trim looks once you have it cut to size, stapled, and glued to your workpiece. Now that the trim is complete, I'm going to add the foot plates and add the feet to the base of the project. So once you've added the feet, this is how the frame of the daybed looks. Isn't this beautiful? I love just this plain wood. I love the way this looks. This is only just part one. Part two, I'm going to be adding a cushion to the daybed. If you're interested in how that turned out, stay tuned until next week. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, what's going on? If you're watching this, that means you made it to the end of my video. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Also, there'll be some more videos somewhere over here that you can watch. If you haven't seen those, what you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.